our neighboring inferno. Venus in the solar system. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often called Earth's twin. It is similar in size and mass to our planet. Venus is our closest planetary neighbor, residing just one orbit closer to the Sun. This proximity makes Venus easily visible in our sky. Despite these similarities, Venus is a world of stark contrasts to our own. Its extreme temperatures and dense toxic atmosphere make it a hostile and unforgiving environment. Venus orbits the Sun at an average distance of 67 million miles, compared to Earth's 93 million miles. Its orbit is the most circular of all the planets in our solar system, with only a slight elliptical shape. This means that Venus's distance from the Sun varies minimally throughout its year. One Venusian year, the time it takes to complete one orbit around the Sun, is 225 Earth days. A toxic shroud, unraveling Venus's atmosphere. The atmosphere of Venus is incredibly dense and composed primarily of carbon dioxide. This thick atmosphere traps heat, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect. Temperatures on Venus can reach a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure on the surface is 90 times that of Earth's, equivalent to being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. The thick clouds of Venus are not made of water vapor like Earth's. Instead, they are composed primarily of sulfuric acid. These clouds reflect sunlight, giving Venus its high albedo and making it the brightest object in our night sky after the Moon. The sulfuric acid rain never reaches the surface, however. The extreme heat vaporizes the droplets long before they can land. A volcanic landscape, the surface of Venus. The surface of Venus is a desolate and volcanic landscape. Radar imaging has revealed vast plains covered in lava flows, towering shield volcanoes, and impact craters. The extreme heat and pressure have erased most signs of impact cratering, suggesting a relatively young surface age. Venus is thought to have experienced significant volcanic activity throughout its history, shaping its surface features. One of the most prominent features on Venus is Maxwell Montes, a massive shield volcano that rises to an elevation of 7 miles, or 11 kilometers. This makes it the highest point on the planet. Venus also boasts vast lava plains, such as the Lakshmi Planum, which is larger than the United States. These plains are evidence of massive volcanic eruptions that flooded the surface with lava. Section 4. The Morning Star. Venus in Earth's sky. Venus is often referred to as the morning star or evening star due to its prominent appearance in the sky. As an inferior planet, meaning it orbits closer to the Sun than Earth, Venus is always seen near the Sun. When Venus is on the other side of the Sun from Earth, it is invisible to us. As it moves into our line of sight, it appears as a bright star in the evening sky after sunset. As Venus continues its orbit, it appears to move closer to the Sun in the sky. Eventually, it becomes visible in the morning sky before sunrise. This transition from evening to morning visibility takes several weeks. Venus then disappears behind the Sun, only to reappear in the evening sky months later. Section 5. Earth and Venus, a tale of two planets. Despite their similar size and composition, Earth and Venus are vastly different worlds. Earth is a habitable planet with liquid water, a temperate climate, and a diverse biosphere. Venus, on the other hand, is a scorching hot, toxic wasteland. The key difference between the two planets lies in their atmospheres. Earth's atmosphere is composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen, with trace amounts of other gases, including carbon dioxide. This balance of gases creates a greenhouse effect that keeps our planet warm enough to support life. Venus's thick carbon dioxide atmosphere traps heat far more effectively, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect. Section 6. Venus, Enigmatic Beauty. Venus, despite its hostile environment, remains a source of fascination and mystery. Its thick atmosphere and volcanic landscape offer clues about the evolution of terrestrial planets. Scientists continue to study Venus to understand the processes that led to its extreme conditions and to learn more about the potential habitability of planets around other stars. Future missions to Venus will explore its atmosphere, map its surface in greater detail, and search for signs of past or present life. The study of Venus is crucial to our understanding of planetary evolution and the search for life beyond Earth.